Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write 10-line speech on Kamarajar. Good morning everyone. My name is Sonal. Today is 15th July. We are celebrating Kamarajar Jayanti. Kamarajar was a great leader of India. He was born on 15th July 1903 in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Kumaraswamy Nadar and mother's name was Sivakami Ammal. He is also known as the Kingmaker. He started many new schools and helped poor students. His life is an inspiration for us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this 10-line speech, please subscribe Learn Easy Speech for more educational videos.